IGCSE Computer Science, Syllabus Statement 1.3.3J, and this is about interactive whiteboards. Now this is the last of the input devices that we have to cover besides sensors, but sensors is kind of a whole different thing by itself. Anyway, an interactive whiteboard is a device which can display computer images on a whiteboard using a projector. Now your school may have interactive whiteboards, such as the smartboard here. So we're going to be describing how they are used and how the advantages. So they allow the user to write or draw on it, but unlike a regular whiteboard, these writings or drawings can then be stored in electronic form on the computer to be used for later. And this is handy because if you use a regular whiteboard, you draw stuff, you might have to save it, you might have to take a picture and then store it on your computer, but with an interactive whiteboard you can just save it on your computer. It's quite handy. And this can be helpful in meetings or classes in school. For example, a plant cell is displayed on the whiteboard in a biology lesson. It's possible for students to label the parts of the cell on the whiteboard and have the annotations saved on the computer for the next lesson. So here we've got a plant cell. I sort of drew this, kind of looks really weird. So we have the cytoplasm, cell wall, the vacuole, cell membrane, chloroplasts, and nucleus, and you can annotate this, and this whole thing can be saved for later use on the computer, so that in the next lesson when we come back to learning about plant cells, then we don't have to rewrite this. We can save whatever's been done here. So it's pretty much how an interactive whiteboard works. It's also possible to interact with the interactive whiteboards using our fingers on the surface. And doing this, people can do on the whiteboards what they can do on the computer, such as browsing the internet or playing a game. And since a whiteboard is being used and it's quite big, many people can watch and get involved. And this is it's another advantage of them. Yeah.